Well, hello there. Welcome to a moment that's about to shake up the world of motorcycles as we know it. In all my years of tinkering with engines, you learn to sense when something big is coming, and right now, that rumble is coming from Honda. It's not just a whisper in the garage or a rumor at the local diner, it's a seismic shift you can feel in your bones. Honda has just fired a shot across the bow of the motorcycle world, sending a clear message to every rider, manufacturer, and enthusiast out there. This isn't just another new model, it's a whole new philosophy. Honda is rewriting the rules, challenging what we expect from two wheels. Forget building the fastest or most powerful bike. Honda's done that before, time and again, dominating racetracks and city streets alike. Now, they're unveiling an electric motorcycle that could do for two wheels what the Model T did for cars, make electric power truly accessible, practical, and part of everyday life. It's about opening the door for everyone, not just a select few. This isn't a high-end toy, it's an everyday machine for the masses. It's designed for real commutes, real people, and real roads. For years, electric motorcycles have been expensive, exclusive, and out of reach for most. They were more dream than reality for everyday riders. Honda is changing the rules, leveraging mass production, reliability, and affordability to conquer the next frontier. They're using their decades of experience to make electric riding possible for everyone. This is classic Honda, understanding what real riders need, not just what enthusiasts want. They're listening to the heartbeat of the streets, they're stripping away the intimidation of price and complexity, making sure anyone can hop on and ride with confidence. This isn't just a product launch, it's the start of a new chapter in motorcycle history. It's a bold step into the future and it's happening right now. And believe me, the whole industry is watching, because when Honda makes a move like this, the world pays attention. So, what's Honda's secret? It's genius, and hiding in plain sight. Instead of reinventing the wheel, Honda is using the proven frame of the Shine 100, a commuter bike that sells by the millions. By reusing this chassis, Honda slashes costs and development time. They swap the petrol engine for a compact electric motor and fit two lithium-ion battery packs where the fuel tank was. The result? Elegant, efficient, and cost-effective engineering. This bike isn't about speed, it's about real-world commuting, topping out around 50 mph. Honda knows most riders just need reliable, affordable transport. They're targeting the millions who need to get from A to B, not the racetrack. This is a masterclass in scale, using Honda's manufacturing muscle to democratize electric tech. Expect a price well under $5,000, a true game-changer for global electric adoption. This could be the first mass-market electric motorcycle from a major brand. Honda's electric strategy begs comparison to Harley-Davidson's approach. Both companies are iconic in their own right, but their visions for the future of electric motorcycles couldn't be more different. Harley's Livewire is a high-end, high-performance marvel, but with a price tag north of $30,000, it's out of reach for most. This bike is designed for those who crave power and prestige, a true luxury item. Harley built a dream bike for the few, not the many. It's a statement piece, a symbol of status and exclusivity. Honda, meanwhile, is building from the ground up, asking, how can we get the most people riding electric? Their focus is on innovation and inclusivity. Their Shine 100-based model is about accessibility, not exclusivity. It's designed to be affordable and practical for everyday use. While Harley focused on horsepower and tech, Honda focused on cost, practicality, and ease of use. They want to make electric motorcycles a viable option for the average commuter. It's the difference between a boutique hotel and a nationwide chain. One offers exclusivity, the other, widespread accessibility. Harley tried to sell tradition in a radically new package. A tough sell. They are banking on their legacy to attract buyers. Honda is removing barriers for a new generation, making electric riding simple and affordable. They are targeting young urban riders who are looking for cost-effective and eco-friendly transportation. One company built for the showroom, the other for the world's streets. Harley's approach is about luxury, while Honda's is about utility. History shows, the brand that wins the masses, wins the future. Honda's strategy is to capture the largest market share by making their bikes accessible to everyone. Honda's strategy is about capturing the next wave of riders. They are investing in the future by focusing on the needs of the next generation. And that's a game Harley may struggle to play. As the market evolves, the company that adapts to the needs of the many will likely come out on top. Honda's plan isn't just about affordable electrics, it's about building a lifestyle, one that speaks to individuality and self-expression. The company understands that for many riders, a motorcycle is more than just a way to get from point A to point B, it's a statement, a passion, and a way to connect with others who share the same love for two wheels. For decades, Harley owned custom culture. Their bikes were icons, and their brand was synonymous with freedom and rebellion. Now, Honda is making a serious play for that territory, aiming to inspire a new generation of riders to make their mark. At the 2025 Wheels and Waves Festival, Honda's custom contest for the GB350S drew massive engagement and stunning builds. The event became a showcase for creativity, attracting both seasoned builders and first-time customizers. From bobbers to cafe racers, the creativity was off the charts. Each bike told a different story, reflecting the personality and vision of its builder. Honda is providing a blank canvas. Bikes like the Rebel and GB350 are affordable, reliable, and perfect for customization. They're designed to be accessible, inviting anyone with a dream to get involved. By encouraging riders and pros to make these bikes their own, Honda is fostering a vibrant global community. It's about sharing ideas, learning from each other, and celebrating diversity in design and culture. You don't need a big V-twin to have a unique, cool motorcycle anymore. Smaller bikes are now just as respected and just as much fun to personalize. This chips away at Harley's cultural dominance, opening the door for new voices and fresh perspectives in the custom scene. Honda is cultivating a new generation focused on creativity and global style, not just tradition. The movement is about innovation, inclusivity, and pushing boundaries. The brand is becoming more inclusive, diverse, and exciting. Riders from all walks of life are finding their place in Honda's growing family. Honda's soul isn't just in its engines, it's in the hands of the riders who reshape them. Every custom build adds a new chapter to the brand's story. They're redefining what it means to be part of motorcycle culture, and it's working. Honda is winning hearts, one custom bike at a time. Honda's custom push is just one way they're attracting younger riders. They're making their lineup more approachable, like adding e-clutch tech to the 2026 Rebel 300. The e-clutch automates shifting, making riding less intimidating for beginners. It's a huge confidence booster and removes the fear of stalling. Honda's message is clear: we want you here, and we'll make it easy. From fun bikes like the Grom and Monkey to affordable electrics, Honda offers multiple entry points. The next generation wants bikes that fit their lifestyle, budget, and personality, not just big, loud machines. Honda's lineup feels fresh, modern, and inclusive. They're not waiting for new riders. They're building the bikes those riders want. That's how you win the future. A great bike is only half the battle. Ownership experience matters just as much. Honda is investing in what many overlook: the service department. In 2025, they launched the National Technician Contest in the US, elevating the skills and prestige of their technicians. The best techs from across the country competed, showing off expertise on flagship models. Winners gained recognition and a path to compete globally in Japan. This isn't just a contest, it's about building a culture of excellence. Honda's investment in training ensures high service standards at every dealership. Expert service builds trust and loyalty, turning one-time buyers into lifelong customers. In a crowded market, stellar service is a powerful tiebreaker. Honda is playing the long game, making sure their team is the best in the business. Why all this focus on service? Because customer satisfaction is everything. In today's world, one bad review can do more damage than a bad product. Honda is shifting the battleground from pure performance to total ownership experience. Their new products, affordable electrics, e-clutch tech, require expert support. Honda's training ensures technicians are ready for tomorrow's bikes. This gives Honda a huge edge over competitors scrambling to catch up. Great service builds trust and keeps customers coming back. As Jeremy Mertzlach put it, the goal is to enhance satisfaction, loyalty, and dealer profitability. A strong dealer network is the backbone of any brand. Honda's commitment to service is building a loyal customer base rivals can't easily win over. Step back, and Honda's 2025 moves form a perfectly coordinated strategy. The Shine 100-based electric is a weapon of mass-market disruption. Honda is challenging high-cost, low-volume rivals with affordable, practical electrics. On another front, they're building a vibrant, global community through custom culture. They're making Honda synonymous with creativity and modern style, eroding Harley's cultural stronghold. Superior service is the silent weapon, building trust and turning new buyers into loyalists. Continuous innovation, like the e-clutch, makes riding more accessible. Each piece, affordability, culture, service, technology, is powerful alone, but together, they're formidable. Honda isn't just beating Harley at its own game. They're changing the rules. They're building an ecosystem to attract and retain the next generation. This is a new era for motorcycling. For decades, Harley-Davidson has been the king of the open road, but in late 2025, the ground is shifting. Honda's moves aren't just ripples, they're the start of an earthquake. Honda isn't fighting Harley on its turf, it's redefining the turf. Their affordable electric isn't just a new model, it's a key to a global market Harley can't reach. By fostering custom culture and approachable tech, Honda is becoming the most relevant brand for new riders. Their focus on service builds trust for the long haul. Honda is attacking on all fronts: price, culture, technology, and service. Could this be the moment that changes motorcycle history? Very possible. Honda is building a bigger tent, inviting everyone in, and making sure they stay. The next king of the two-wheeled world may already be here.